we're here at the Hongshi booth, and I'm here with...
I'm 𝘆𝗵𝗹𝗹𝗶from Hongshi. We are focused on micro-LED, micro-display chip, and currently we have the monochrome micro-LED panel in mass production, and we just released our RGB color light rendering. You can
let's go there.
Okay.
So what do we have here? What's the resolution of this?
640 by 480.
Oh.
And the brightness is 2.5 million nits.
Wow.
And the volume is 0.35 cc.
Yeah. So this is like 3 individual panels?
3 individual panels combined together through optical components.
Yeah. So what's the energy consumption of this projector?
Less than 200 milliwatts. And our mono red, the red color, we achieved 2 million nits. It's a record.
So you already have customers probably coming to you and wanting to put this into glasses.
Yes.
So how do you see the market evolving in the next 2 years?
Next year, firstly should be the color, the AR glass with RGB color light rendering in mass production, and but the monochrome still the market increased rapidly.
Yeah.
Like for the specific function, like a translation or some, when someone do the speech, I can wear AR glass. I can use this as a tool.
Yeah, that's right. So you don't want to overpower things, right? So if you have a specific application, you need then to look at what type of display you need, right? And not like have like the high resolution RGB display and then you have a battery life of half an hour.
And we hope our more customer can test our sample, our engineering samples. And I will attend the MicroLED event in Holland by the end of this month.
So what will your talk be about?
About our Hongshi MicroLED color strategy.
Very interesting. So is this the single panel strategy, or is it like how you combine them?
Currently the focus of Hongshi is on RGB color light rendering, but we still improve our monolithic color chip.
Yeah.
Our resolution is 640 by 480.
So that's the most popular.
Yes, and we can see another product from other company. They are 300 by 500. But we think the VGA is a basic resolution. We think the next product should be the smaller, such as 0.1 inch or 0.08 inch, and the resolution may be a little higher, like 840 by 800 by 600.
So you would say for the applications that you're targeting, right? So the apps on the glasses, you need this resolution. You can't go below that. Yeah. So, and where are you trying to go in the next few years? Is it like 720, or what's the goal for this decade?
Our next generation is the smaller pixel pitch, 2.5 micron, and the size can be 0.08 inch, and keep the same resolution, VGA resolution.
So how do you see the prices evolving? Are the prices for the display now stable, and would you say we're already at a point where they're good enough so that they can be put into consumer smart glasses, or does the price have to go down a little bit further?
The price should be go down.
Yeah.
In next year, whatever monochrome or RGB color, or maybe in the future the monolithic color. If the chip the price too high, we cannot achieve the market. The customer, the end customer won't accept.
Yeah. So when do you think we will see the monolithic RGB?
2027 or 2028.
And would you say the applications are more for consumer or more for business, or for both?
Both. For the color, maybe more consumable, and for the mono green or mono color should be the to be some specific application.
Let's take a look maybe at the helmet. Oh wow.
Here's a projector, monochrome projector inside, and here's some special optical design on the visor. It's for the riders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you turn it a little bit up so that we can see the projector? Oh, there it is, right? Interesting. So it's similar to what was used with LCD displays, large LCD displays, right?
And
with the Buckeye optics.
we have another. We have a camera here.
So what's the camera used for in this? So what's the application for the helmet?
For some scenario is if you are a logistic guy, you can scan the goods or barcode or like QR code, and you can receive the information. You can see.
Because that's a very busy job, right? And you have to be very fast.
Yes. Can be connected with the smartphone or your IoT device.
For navigation, also information about the next customer, right? What am I delivering to whom?
Yes.
And this market will only grow because people are very lazy, right? They want everything brought to them.
Yes. The riders, the hands free. You can take the goods or package.
Exactly.
And you can get some key information.
Yeah. So it will make everyone more efficient,
improve the efficiency, and make them work safer. We have some customers very interested in this product.
Yeah.
We have different business lines. Of course, the MicroLED is our core business line currently and in the future. We have our own facility. This facility started to do the semiconductor packaging and like that things from the 2017. So we have sufficient engineering background. For the monolithic color, the customer's spec requirement. Also, our design standard is 2 million nits. And for the RGB light engine, I think it's also need 2 million. For the monolithic color, the 1.2 million nits is the first version sample we lit up 1.2 million nits. It's an outstanding brightness record already. And for the mono red, it's the quantum dot. We achieved 1.5 million nits. For the green and the blue, it's the MicroLED. It's from the material. But for the red, we use the quantum dot, so 𝘄𝗵𝗹𝗶 color conversion based on the blue, transfer to red. And Hongshi is the only 2 companies in the worldwide to achieve the mass production and the shipment of monochrome MicroLED display product. And as we see in next year, there won't be third company can deliver shipment the monochrome.
There's still problems for other companies to really.
Because we think and there's, you know, if you make a sample in your research lab, it may be not too difficult. You could, but if you achieve mass production, you have to solve many engineering problems. You need to achieve a reasonable yield. Here's the figure to show what a hybrid stack structure is. You can see from the top view, in the bottom layer is the green pixel, and the second layer is the blue, and on the top we use the quantum dot to transfer blue to red. So the full pixels is a color pixel, and with the full with the every single pixel is subpixel. The color pixel pitch is 7.5 micron, and the subpixel is 3.75 micron. We the IP we purchased the IP, and we purchased the 𝘁_MOS backplane. But this backplane not public for every company. We customized this 𝘁_MOS backplane. I want to introduce this for the monochrome. We use the metal bonding process for 8-inch silicon-based gallium nitride wafer. The gallium nitride IP is 𝘁_MOS driver backplane. After the metal bonding, we do the wafer-to-wafer bonding, and then to the substrate removed. From here to there, it is a standard semiconductor process. After the wafer cut wafer into dies, we do the package, put the dies on the FPC, packaging and test. We can ship out the panels or light engine to our customers. And Hongshi is the first company to use the 8-inch silicon-based IP wafer, because it is a very important point, because you know the Shanghai's company, they use the 4-inch sapphire, and we don't follow this technical line. Not only the cost fact, but also the development schedule. You know, the wafer, the 8-inch silicon-based wafers, semiconductor industry or supply chain in China is the whole supply chain can support you achieve your project or your deliver sooner. That's why we got the high-speed development the past few years. We have enough production capability, and our facility has a well-established quality management system. Because of our other business line, such as the camera module, we have the end customer SQE perform the audit, annual audit every year.